Here we go, guys. This is Tiki-Waka at Walibi Belgium. Again with the GoPro Hero 9 and Horizon Lock. And if you only watch the on-ride of Tiki-Waka, I recommend that you watch the full vlog of Walibi Belgium. I'm excited for this little coaster.
Yeah, this looks nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be cute. Like the colors. It is a great view of Conda here. Can't show you that because we are leaving the... Woo!
Woo!
Nice! That was a nice little drop. So this is like a mix of a wild mouse and very much not. Woohoo! Wow! Nice! And over the water here. That's a pretty view. Really like this park, I enjoy it so much. I can really recommend you go here. We call this vlog riding. Tiki-Waka.
Oh, great.
Nice coaster. Really like that.